Hey guys, I'm Ajay and welcome back to English with Ajayraj. This is the fourth video lesson in Word of the Day series. We will look at four things. Number 1, pronunciation of the word. Second, its meaning. Third, synonyms of the word for better understanding. And in the last, a few examples by using the word. So without any further delay, let's get started. So here is the word. Now first, let's talk about its pronunciation. So the pronunciation of this word is reckon. There are two syllables in this word, reckon, reckon, and reckon is a verb if I talk about its part of speech. Now what does reckon mean? So reckon means to think or guess about something. To think or guess about something. And synonyms for the word reckon could be estimate, calculate, consider, suppose. These all four could be the synonyms for the word reckon. Now let's see a few examples by using this word. Number 1. As the IPL season has been so far, I reckon Mumbai Indians could win the trophy. We reckon that we would reach our destination by evening. And the last example, she'll be famous one day. What do you reckon? So guys, that's all for today's video lesson. If you learned something new, make sure to like it, and to learn more, you can subscribe to this channel. My name is Ajay. I thank you so much for watching.